Namaste. I am Dr. R Unnithan, physician, Thangam Hospital, Palakkad. Today I am going to discuss the ancient healing methods for breathing disorders like asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, otherwise called as COPD. I will be discussing about Marma points as described by the ancient sages, mentioning about acupressure points, yogasanas, yoga mudras, pranayama, yoga nidras, and healing of the energy fields, the chakras and the affected organ. Before treating any chronic illnesses, we have to energize the main energy points of the body. There are more than a dozen energy points in the body. We have to rejuvenate them. The first point is below the umbilicus. It is 10 finger breadths below the umbilicus. 4 plus 4 is 2. Here you tap that point 3 times like this. Next is the umbilicus. Tap 3 times. Then is the point between the upper part of the abdomen and the chest. You tap 3 times. Then you tap the throat pit 3 times. Then the other area is below the shoulder joint. This joint, there is a depression. 4 finger breadths below it. You tap it 3 times. Then between the eyebrows, tap 3 times. Then this protrusion of the ear, this small lobule, we tap it 3 times. Then the other point is the junction of the upper abdomen and the chest. You take the distance between the thumb and middle finger, this point. Similarly, here also, this point. You place your 3 fingers, middle finger, ring finger and forefinger, and make sideways movements like this and make an upward movement. Next point is in the midpoint of the upper arm on the inner side. Next point is here. It is 6 finger breadths below the web between the ring finger and middle finger here. Then the inner part of the thigh, middle point. Then the middle of the leg on the bone. Next is 2 finger breadths below the junction of this second finger from the third finger, 2 finger breadths below here. Tap 3 times. Once again, you have to tap the point 10 finger breadths below the umbilicus 3 times. Next, this umbilicus 3 times, the junction of the abdomen with the thorax 3 times, throat pit 3 times, then 4 fingertips below the shoulder joint junction here 3 times, in between the eyebrows, this protruding lobule, this portion of the ear, then from the junction of the upper abdomen with the thorax, you take the distance between the thumb and middle finger on both sides here. Then the inner side of the upper arm, 6 fingertips from the curve of the second and third fingers here. Then middle of the thigh on the inside, then the middle of the leg on the bone, then on the 2 fingers below the tip of the second and third fingers. So these points you have to tap. After that you have to tap the umbilicus 3 times, then a point below 4 fingers from the nape of the neck. Here it is as you bend your neck, you find a projection of the bony projection. 4 fingertips below it, that you tap that area. Then again you have to tap this place, 4 fingertips below the shoulder bone here again. Then you have to run your fingers with this point from the throat pit to the lowermost portion till this pubic bone. This you take 6 fingers below this point. You run over your fingers like this. Similarly in the back also you have to help from your partner from the nape of the neck below the hairline, from there till the last portion of the tailbone. That is again mentioning, you tap the main points and after that tap the umbilicus, and from the neck, as you bend the neck, there is a projection here, bony projection, 4 fingertips below it, there also you tap. Then again you tap the area 4 fingertips below this. Then you run your fingers this portion from the throat pit to this bone, lowermost bone here. Then from the hairline, back of the hairline till the end of the tailbone. With that, the rejuvenation of the energy points can be done. Next is the Marma points. The first one, as already mentioned, it is 2 fingertips below here, 2 fingertips from the junction of the second and third fingers on the tip here. You press here for 5 to 10 times. Then you press the space between the big toe and second toe and third toe and fourth toe and little toe. This will energize elemental balance in your body. You press with the fingers. Next point is the junction of the upper abdomen and the thorax. You take the width of the thumb with the middle finger on both sides, this place. You move your fingers like this and upwards, this movement. Then from the armpit, you run your fingers, 3 fingers down. Press this point from the armpit, both sides. Next, on the left side, this is the junction of the collarbone with the shoulder, 4 fingers below it, this place. You place your 3 fingers like it and press with the other finger. Next is the throat bit. Here you place your forefinger and ring finger here and just press the area above the throat pit mildly. Next, you press the nose, tip of the nose. This is the thumb. This is 5 to 10 times. Next, the point in between the eyebrows. Place the middle finger and forefinger here and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times. Next point is on the hairline. You place your fingers like the hood of a snake and place this point at the beginning of the hairline and place your fingers like 3 fingers like this and make to and fro movements. So these are the main Marma points. Once again mentioning, two fingers below the web of the second and third finger here. Next, press the space between the big toes, second and third toes, third and fourth toes, fourth toe and little toe. Next, from the junction of the upper part of the abdomen and chest, take the distance between the middle finger and thumb, this point. Place your 3 fingers like that, place sideways movement and one upward movement. Then is the throat pit area. You place your fingers, these 2 fingers like this and slightly run the middle finger over the 2 finger points below. Then in the armpit area, 3 fingers breadth from below the armpit area, this place. You press with the 3 fingers. Then from the shoulder tip, this is a junction of the collarbone and the shoulder. From there, 4 fingertips below. Press. Next, press the tip of the nose with the thumb 5 to 10 times. Next, the area between the eyebrows. You take the forefinger and middle finger and make clockwise and anti-clockwise movements. Then on the crown of the head, you place your hands just like the hood of a snake and place your hands here in the beginning of the hairline. Keep the 3 fingers here and make sideways movements 5 to 10 times. So these are the Marma points of the body. Then again mentioning about the acupressure points. One is the tip of the fingers, middle finger and ring finger. You press these points 5 to 10 times. Then below the web of the ring finger and middle finger, here, both sides, you press 5 to 10 times. Then 2 finger press below the wrist 5 to 10 times. Then the middle of the crease 5 to 10 times. Then on the lateral border of the outside border of the elbow joint, here, press. Both sides you have to do. Then is the point, one finger, this is the collarbone, one finger breadth from the end of the collarbone here, down, press. Then this is collarbone, middle of the collarbone, below, press with the thumb 5 to 10 times. Then this is the end of the collarbone, 3 fingers below it, press both sides. Then in the nipple line in the front of the breastbone, press here. So these are the acupressure points. Once again mentioning, tip of the ring finger and middle finger, below the web between the second finger and third finger here, 2 fingers below the wrist joint here, middle of the elbow joint, both sides you have to press. Then on the outside of the elbow joint, then this is the collarbone here, starting of the collarbone, below it, 1 finger below it, you have to press, middle of the collarbone, just below it, press it. Then this is the end of the collarbone, both sides, 3 fingers below. Then between the nipples on the breastbone here. So these are the acupressure points. Then yogasanas. Before yoga, you have to cleanse the upper respiratory tract. That is the nostril, cleaning of the nostrils. It is called as Jalanidhi. For this, you have to take half a teaspoon of salt, put it in warm water, take it in a neti pot or in any pot with a side tube. Half a teaspoonful of salt, put it in warm water so that it should not injure your stomach, injure your nose. Then put it in a neri pot or a vessel with a side tube. Mix, then stand straight. You should bend your head to one side. Put the nozzle of the side tube on the upper part of the nose. Water will come down to the lower nose. Then again turn to the opposite side. Place the nozzle here. Water will come down to the lower nostrils. When all water has been completely drained, you close the lower nostrils and sneeze, forced sneezing through the upper nostrils. Then again on the other side, forced breathing. Then again stand erect and close one nostrils and blow out through the other nostrils. Then blow out through the other nostrils. This will give great relief for asthma patients. Then is cleaning the intestine. It is called as Levishanga Prachalana. It is cleaning the intestine. That you can learn from the yoga books. Then other pranayamas are Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. It is called as alternate nostril breathing. You sit straight, close one nostrils, breathe through these nostrils, hold, breathe out through the other nostrils. Then breathe in through this nostril, close the nostril, breathe out through this nostrils. There is a ratio. If you are inhaling for a count of 4, hold for a count of 16 and exhale for a count of 8. 1:4:2. That is, if you take 1 second for inhalation, 4 seconds for holding and 2 seconds for breathing out. If it is not possible to hold, doesn't matter. You breathe in deeply and take inhale out, exhale out through the other nostril. Then other is a rapid breathing are, that is Bastriya and Kapalabhati. In Bastriya, both inhalation and exhalation are rapid, just like this. You can do 100 or more depending on your capacity. In Kapalabhati, inhalation is passive and expiration is active. You have to contract your abdomen like this. You can do it 100 times or more depending on your capacity. The other is Ujjayi breathing. That is, the tip of the tongue you should touch the palate. Close the mouth and breathe through the nostrils. The air goes through the posterior part of the pharynx and there will be noise. You breathe out through the nostrils, just like this. Next is primary pranayama, that is to do a long inhalation, and on breathing out you have to make a humming sound or om, like this. Om. So these are the breathing exercise. During an attack, you have to be in a posture like this. You bend your body forward, place the elbow on the thighs and place your hands like this. You inhale for a count of 5, hold for a count of 5 and exhale for a count of 5. During an attack, hot black coffee is good. There are various asanas. The main asanas, if you can do it, well and good. Surya Namaskar is very good for those people who are healthy enough to do it. You do it as many times as possible. Then the other yogasanas that are useful are Paschimottanasana, Pavanmuktasana, Shalavasana, Arthamalshendriyasana, Shavasana, Sarvangasana, Dhanurasana. These asanas you can learn from a yoga teacher. Then meditation is good because most of the people with COPD and asthma are having depression and anxiety. So the simplest meditation is watching your own breath. For this, you sit erect, the spine should be erect. Close your eyes and watch your breath. As you inhale, you feel the air entering through your nose, going inside through your pharynx and entering the lungs. As you breathe out, feel the air leaving the lungs, going out through the pharynx and nostrils. Don't do forced breathing. It is a natural breathing. Only you are watching the breath. Feel the flow of breath through your body. You be in that position for 5 to 10 minutes. That will help a lot in attaining mental peace. Next is Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra or psychic sleep. You can lie in a cot or you can lie on the floor on a mat. Close your nostrils, remove your specs or patches. Place the foot 1 foot apart. Take deep breaths. And slowly breathe out. You do it 5 to 10 times. You should be completely relaxed. You continue to inhale and exhale. As you inhale, feel the golden energy coming through the in between the eyebrows, entering to your back of the vertebral column and coming to a position opposite the umbilicus in the vertebral column. As you breathe out, feel the golden energy going into each and every cell of your body. The golden energy goes to each and every cell of your lungs, removes all the toxins, rejuvenates the lungs. You continue to go on inhaling and exhaling. As you inhale, visualize the golden energy entering through the middle of your eyebrows, going back to your vertebral column in the back, and it descends down and settles in a place opposite the umbilicus in the back. On exhalation, it spreads through the whole body. It enters your lung and rejuvenates the lung. You do this for 5 to 10 minutes. You be in that blissful moment for quite some time. Now you should feel your surroundings. Feel your position on the cot or on the mat on the floor. Feel your arms and legs. Feel your breathing. Become aware of your body. And slowly open your eyes. Your lungs are rejuvenated. Next is healing of the energy fields or aura, energy centers or chakras, and the individual organs. There are 7 layers of energy field surrounding our body. Close to our body is etheric body. Next is emotional body, that is connected with breath. Next is outside is mental body, connected with the mind. Next is astral body, connected with intelligence. Next is causal body, connected with past memories, past life memories, etc. The last 2 are celestial body and cosmic body, which are in the realm of higher spirit. For practical purposes, we are concerned with the etheric body. The main energy centers are in the vertebral column, inside the spinal cord. The lowest part is Muladhara chakra, situated at the tip of the coccyx, the tip of the vertebral column. Above it is Sadhisthana chakra, which is situated in a place opposite the pubic bone in the vertebral column. Above it is Manipura chakra, which is opposite the umbilicus in the vertebral column. Above that is Anahata chakra or heart chakra, which is opposite the heart in the vertebral column. Above that is Vishuddha chakra or throat chakra, opposite the voice box in the vertebral column. Above that is Ajna chakra, in between the eyebrows, eyebrow chakra in the brain. And on the crown of the head is a Sahasrara chakra. In addition, three other chakras are useful in treating. One is emotional chakra, which is situated between the upper part of the abdomen and the thorax. And on the left side of it is spleen chakra or immune chakra. And another chakra is between the eyebrow chakra and Sahasrara. It is called as Lalada chakra. So first you have to clean the aura. You have to be conscious of the minor chakra on the palm of the hand and on the tip of the fingers, minute chakras. Close your eyes and become aware of the palm chakra and bring your arms at a length of 9 inches approximately from the body. You feel a push and pull. That is aura. So you have to clean the aura. You have to clean with your hand from the crown to the toes. You make a zigzag movement. Feel, visualize a light yellow colored energy coming from the hand and cleaning the aura. Next, you vitalize it. Visualize golden energy coming from your hands. You make a spiral movements like this. In fact, in the front portion, you can divide your body into 11 parts. Main line 1 and other 5 lines. When the cleaning the back of the body, you require a partner. So in this way, you clean the aura, vitalize it, vitalize the gold energy, then you heal it with silver energy. Visualize silver energy coming from your hand and sealing the whole aura. Next is cleansing the chakras. Suppose you use the fingertips for the chakras. You can know the actual position of your chakra, aura of the chakra. It is up to 5 to 6 inches from the body. So for Muladhara chakra, you come to a position 5 to 6 inches from there and visualize light yellow colored energy going from there and cleaning the Muladhara chakra. Next, golden yellow colored energy coming from the hand and fingertips and cleaning the Muladhara chakra, vitalizing it. Then you are sealing it, silver energy coming from your hands. Let's seal it. Next, for the sacral chakra, from the pubic bone, 6 inches from it, visualize light yellow colored energy coming from the fingers and hand and cleaning the sacral chakra. Next, golden energy coming from the hand and fingers and vitalizing the sacral chakra. Then silver colored energy coming and sealing the chakra. The same thing applies to the navel chakra or Manipura chakra. Send light yellow colored energy. Let it clean the Manipura chakra. Then send golden colored energy coming from your hands and fingers, vitalizing the Manipura chakra. Then silver colored energy coming from the hands and fingers and sealing the Manipura chakra. You repeat the same thing for emotional chakra, immune chakra or spleen chakra, anahata chakra, throat chakra, eyebrow chakra, lalada chakra and sahasrara chakra. With this, your whole body will become rejuvenated. And you can apply the same technique for conditions like heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, arthritis, malignancy. So this will help a lot in all chronic diseases. So most of the people with COPD and bronchial asthma are having either depression or anger or anxiety. So you have to calm your mind. The pranayamas and meditation will calm your mind. In addition that there are certain marma points. One is the eyebrow center, this point between the eyebrows. You place the middle finger and forefinger here and rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 to 10 times. Then half finger breadth above it, you do the same thing. 2 fingers from this first point, again do clockwise and anti-clockwise movements. From this first point, 3 fingers above, you do the same thing. Then 4 fingers also, you do the same thing. Then on the right side, from above the point of the eyebrow, 5 fingers above it, you make a to and fro motion. Then on the crown, you make your hand like the hood of a snake. Place it near the hairline and move the 3 fingers, middle 3 fingers to and fro motion. Do it 5 to 10 times. Then bend your neck. As you bend your neck, you see a bony projection. 1 finger breadth above it, you make a clockwise and anti-clockwise position 5 to 10 times. Then on the hands, in a line with the little finger, this is the transverse crease. 1 finger below it, you press 5 to 10 times. Then again 1 finger below it, Press 5 to 10 times. Then to make you happy, there is another mudra. Hold your left hand like this. Touch the tip of the thumb with the tip of the little finger, ring finger and middle finger. Index finger is kept straight. Place it in the center. Then you close your eyes. Within a minute or two, you will have a happy mood. This you can do on and off. The healing takes mainly by subconscious mind. So you have to activate the subconscious mind. Before you go to bed and soon after getting up from bed, you have to say 10 times, I am happy, I am full of joy, and it will have a positive impact on you. So these are the main points in treating bronchial asthma and COPD. The diagrams of the Marma points and the acupressure points will be, and the mudras will be given in a separate video that follows. So, wish you a long and happy life, healthy life. May God bless you all. Thank you. Namaste.